How to make Shift, Ctrl and Alt toggle like caps lock. I can't use one hand, so it's pretty hard to work with Photoshop and Illustrator. Is there any way how to make Shift, Ctrl and Alt modifiers toggle, like caps lock, instead of holding down?
Windows has a built-in feature called sticky keys for holding down one or more of the following modifier keys: Ctrl, Alt, Shift and Win. When the feature is activated, you only need to briefly press one of those keys and it will act like it is being held down until you press a normal key or click the mouse. To prevent mouse clicks from releasing the modifier key, you can press the relevant key twice to lock it. Sticky keys can be activated either by pressing Shift 5 times in quick succession or by going to Control Panel, Ease of Access Center. Make the keyboard easier to use. Set up sticky keys.
That is a feature called sticky keys. To enable it, open Control Panel, make sure you are in Classic View, with all Control Panel icons showing. If not, go to the left pane of Control Panel and open Switch to Classic View by pressing Tab and then Enter. Open Accessibility and in the Accessibility Options dialog box, on the Keyboard tab, select the Use Sticky Keys checkbox. In Modern Control Panel, search Accessibility in the search box on the top right. Click on the option Change how your keyboard works in the Ease of Access Center. Select the Use Sticky Keys checkbox. Press S for Settings. The Settings for Sticky Keys dialog box will open and you will have the following options. Press U to select the Use Shortcut checkbox. This will allow you to turn sticky keys on or off by pressing the Shift key 5 times. Press P to select the Press Modifier key twice to lock checkbox. This will allow you to lock a modifier key, such as the Ctrl, Alt, Shift or the Windows logo key if you press it twice in succession. Press T to select the Turn Sticky Keys Off if two keys are pressed at once checkbox. This will allow you to turn off sticky keys when a modifier key such as Ctrl, Alt, Shift or the Windows logo key and another key are pressed simultaneously. Press M to select the Make Sounds when modifier key is pressed checkbox. This will allow you to play a tone that indicates when a modifier key such as Ctrl, Alt, Shift or the Windows logo key is pressed, locked, or released. Press S to select the Show Sticky Keys Status on Screen checkbox. This will display a Sticky Keys icon on the taskbar when Sticky Keys is turned on. That's all you need to do.
If you like this channel, please consider subscribing.